Hello, we will solve question number 56, merge intervals. So what does the question mean? The question says we have intervals from, we have intervals given as 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15. So basically a timeline can be put in as hash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the intervals are 1 to 3. Then we have from 2 to 6. Third interval is 8 to 10. Fourth interval is 15 to 18. If you look at it, the interval 1, which is 1, and interval 2, or let's say 0 interval and 1 interval overlap. So we can merge 0 and 1 and give them separately. So output would be output is we merge the intervals 0 and 1, which makes it to be equal to, so this is the output, and we have to merge intervals of which overlap. How do we do it? So main thing which you need to figure out is, to make it easy, the question is the intervals are not sorted. So first step we do is sort the intervals by start index, which becomes intervals equal to sorted intervals lambda key is basically how you compare it. We do a lambda function here, lambda x of 0. So basically you're sorting the array by the start one. So let's print the array and see if it works. Print intervals, and we do print intervals before and afterwards. For the run code, let's change the position for 2, 6, and it's always useful that we keep on testing the code after writing each line of code, if they allow that, if the interview person allows it. So let's say we run it. You see that it's sorted to the starting order. So this is what the intervals look like. So what do we do now? So first thing we also need to consider is the edge case when no intervals are present. So we say if not intervals, return empty. Now once we got the sorted one, so what do? We say current interval equal to intervals of 0, return val equal to current interval. Then we iterate on the array of all the intervals which are remaining, which is equal to intervals of 1 colon. Now we compare if start of interval is less than or equal to cur, then we expand the cur interval, which is if intr of if intr of 0 is less than equal to curl interval of 0, we just say curl interval of 1 equal to max of curl interval colon 1 comma intr of 1. If not, we just make a new interval which say curl interval equal to intr return val dot append intr, and this will keep on going till we return the question. Then at the end we just say return ret val. So what we are saying is we have the current interval. If the next interval start position is less than or equal to the current interval, we expand the current interval by max of the both intervals. Otherwise, we change the current interval to the new interval and push it to the return interval. So let's run the test case and see it works. There is a typo here, but they should have flagged it. Compare the end, not the start. So if you put it as 1, this is where we do. So it's always useful to pick start and end instead of doing a 0 and 1. So let's run the code and it works. So if you submit this, works, the test case works.